Same prompt, 6 different faces. Your character never looks the same twice, and no prompt fixes it. 1 LoRA, same character, any card, even a 12 gig 3060. 100% local, free. Let's train one. Let's install it, simple and straight to the point. Go to our GitHub, Comfy Workflow, open the train LoRA folder, then SDXL, and download the file train.LoRA.sdxl.bat. Go to where it downloaded, right-click, Properties, and check Unblock. Open the file, and it installs everything you need the easiest way possible. When the install finishes, you can close the CMD window and open ComfyUI, and we are going to generate the images to train the LoRA. Go to Workflows, Comfy Workflow, LoRA, SDXL, and you will find the 2 workflows. Generate images and use the LoRA. If you open Use the LoRA, you can see we do not have a LoRA yet. To make one, we generate a bunch of images and pick the best ones for what you want. Here I am generating 64 images, and each prompt makes 4 different ones. When it is done, go to the output folder and out of the 64, pick between 15 and 25. Too many images is bad, and too few is bad too. The sweet spot is 15 to 25. Here I deleted the ones that made less sense and kept 19. It is not a hard rule, just try to stay between 15 and 25. After you pick them, move the images into the dataset folder, Downloads, Train LoRA, SDXL dataset, and drop them in. I left a caption file to make it easy. It writes the caption for each image with the trigger, which is the word that pulls up your LoRA later. Here I called it Comfy Char. Since it is a girl, I put 1 girl, and since she is alone, solo. You swap those for whatever fits your own character. With that done, open OneTrainer through start.ui.bat. I already left a preset ready for SDXL called Train LoRA SDXL. Pick it from the menu, and it comes with everything set to the right paths. If your ComfyUI is in a different folder, just repoint it. Then you just start the training. Training time depends on your graphics card and how many images you have. We trained the same LoRA with the same images on 3 cards. On the RTX 5090, it took about 53 minutes. On the 4090, about 100 minutes. And on the 3060 with 12 gigabytes, about 121 minutes. In other words, a card that costs around $300 trains the same character as the expensive ones, just a little slower. When the training finishes, you can close OneTrainer. Go to the Train LoRA SDXL folder, into Output, and there is our Juno.safe tensors. Cut it and paste it into ComfyUI's LoRa's folder under Models, LoRa's, like I show here. Back in ComfyUI, refresh the page so it picks up the LoRA we just added. Select our LoRA, and from there you just type your prompts to generate images with it. Notice I always start the prompt with the trigger, Comfy Char, to pull up the LoRA, and only then the rest of the description. Keep the ones that work best for you. Whatever does not look good, just tweak the prompt until it does. Now let's move on to the next step of the video. There she is, the same character, in poses and outfits the dataset never had. Put her in armor. Drop her in a snowy forest. The same face and hair, shot after shot. That's the whole point, 1 LoRA, and your character is consistent. 1 catch. SDXL is weak at flat anime. If you want anime, train on an anime-based model. For everything photographic, this nails it. And that's it. Your own character, locked, on any card. Next episode, we train the same character on Chroma. Subscribe so you catch it.